Racing just started. We have Snake Me. Spaghetti break quickly at the start. Moving up Siklag, get out the outside. Hudson Hawk. Bold Water comes next. Sunday Street. Kapit Bahay. Decent Proposal. Sugar Daddy. Then comes Mana Mana Panibugho. While Prospector's Cat is the early trailer. Going along for the first turn. We have Snake Me. Spaghetti moving up by the rail is Bold Water. And on the outside comes Siklag. 5 lengths further back in port comes Hudson Hawk. Sugar Daddy comes next. Sunday Street Mana Mana. Decent Proposal. Then next on Larry's Prospector's Cat. Kapit Bahay Wal Panibugho. Now racing last back to the leader. We have Siklag takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Bold Water in second. Down into the Snake Me Spaghetti. Hudson Hawk moving up on the outside. Sugar Daddy. Then here comes Sunday Street. Now coming closer. Decent Proposal. Mana Mana. Prospector's Cat comes next. Then followed over by Panibugho. While Kapit Bahay now racing last as they swing for home. We have Siklag, a long shot, this time by about 4 lengths. Bold Water in second, moving up by the rail is Sunday Street. We have Siklag, this time by about 6 lengths. Sunday Street now moving up to take second. We have Siklag, followed by Sunday Street. And finally, it's Siklag. Sunday Street, Bold Water, then comes Snake Me Spaghetti, Sugar Daddy, and Decent Proposal for your silver.